Log into the COMET admin site using your login details. To complete a team line for the upcoming SYFA Scottish Cup, you will require the user role of either club referent or club lineup manager. To access the match, click onto the match through either the My Next Matches page or through the petition. Under the club section of the competition, you will need to add players and officials to the SYFA competition catalogue. Use the plus icon to add individuals. Once they have been set to active, they can be added to a digital team line. All players and officials must be approved as active in the competition catalogue before they can be added to a team line. A player or official in an entered status within a catalogue cannot be added to the team line. The SYFA are responsible for all catalogue approvals, and you will be notified when a status has changed in a catalogue through email. To view your fixture, select on the Matches section and locate your game. To create a digital team line, select your team name at the top and then select Edit. Adding team kits is not a mandatory requirement. However, it is recommended wherever possible. Kits must be added under the club or team profile prior to creating a digital team line. Next, you must include everyone who will be in your technical staff area. For SYFA competitions, you must have a minimum of 2 officials on your team line, and this must include a first aider. To choose a person for the role, they will require confirmed registration with a registration type which is similar or the same to the role that you wish to add them to. The team manager role is a mandatory role required to confirm a team line. Coaching roles are more flexible with the required registration types, meaning other coaching registration types such as head coach, assistant team manager, and coach can be used for the team manager role. To add additional roles, such as a first aider, click Add. Then choose the role that you wish to add. Followed by this, we will select Person, and we will choose the individual who we wish to add to our technical staff for this match role. The role Other can also be selected for people with registrations out with specified match roles, including official registration types such as volunteers, CWPOs and general secretaries. Each match role can be added multiple times, meaning you can have more than one first aider, assistant team manager, head coach, etc. Someone with 2 roles can be selected for 2 different roles as long as one of these roles are a coaching role and the other one is a non-coaching role. Anyone not named on the team line is not permitted in the technical area and should not be involved with the team in any capacity other than spectating for the match. After adding your team officials, move down to the player section and select Load Available Players. Next to the player, we have our numbers section where we can add in the shirt numbers on the left hand side. Click into the box and type in the number that player will be wearing for this game. After this, we then move across to the right hand side of the Available Players section where we can select whether they are in our lineup under the L, starting lineup which is SL, whether they're the goalkeeper for GK, and CP whether they are the captain. The requirements to tick these boxes and add shirt numbers will vary depending on the competition setup, but for this competition you are required to complete this as follows. So I've got my lineups here, my starting lineup, my goalkeeper and my captain, and anyone who is left unticked will not be in my digital team line. We then move back up to the top of our screen and select Save. and then afterwards we select the arrow which will move the available players onto our lineup. Whilst in this save status, we can make any changes if needed. To remove a player, select the remove icon and they will be put back into our available players list. From here, we can move back to our available players and we can complete our team line again and make any necessary changes. Include our number. And our lineup will be updated. Once finally happy, you can then select edit and save as confirmed. However, once confirmed, you are no longer able to edit the team line. But if you do need to make any changes, you can contact the referee for this match and they will be able to edit the team line before and after the match. The SYFA have requested that where possible, teams confirm their team lines at least 2 hours ahead of kickoff. And once both you and the opposition have confirmed your team lines, an email will be sent out with a PDF printable copy of the team lines to both teams and the match officials. But if you go back to your match homepage, you can also print off this team line as well by clicking options and then start list.